Kakasi Students Union akan regu jeleu kelapan Jingpynshai na udin jangka College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai hadin bah nyongur ki Nongtrei jangka Central Agricultural University kemudian ha Imphal kila sya penkenriak no lani transfer sya kani ke College of Agriculture kemudian ha Kyrdemkulai ha ketayo beladem. Habaikan jikla patai kebor udin jangka ni ke college ong ba ki don chi sha nyongut ki Nongtrei ki blapin kenriak kamno na Manipur na kadau jangka jinglong jingman ha Manipur. Udin lapin tiknaru bayagi kam balamang na kabenta ki traishnong on e na kabenta jangkihi bat baki Nongtrei lapin kenriak kam na Imphal ki nom shimno ki kam balamang kerpang na kabenta ki traishnong.
They have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back.
Hagawai Parkaliang Education Secretary ka KSU North Khasi Hills District Unit usam laban job maring uloong.
Mengiwan kendu hang ni kalong ba habrang yu bat ngiliu jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba ndriu nyungut kita ki Nongtrei jong ka CU nate napo Imphal napo Manipur ki wan kila yo ya kata transfer order banwan shane ane banwan tre hapo kanika jaka hang ni tik ni nalan jong kaseng hadin ba ngiliu jingtip ya kani ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bakpet ya kanika jaka pulih hang ni bat hadin ba ngiliu kendu ba dikeren bat kalong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kini kade fik tang na ka benta ka temporary order ane ka basipor ti bat ula ya keren syairu bat kalong ba hadin bakut ya kini lai banai extension dari ban phak biang ki sebalik pai sepok ka jaka ka ba ki jutrei nah kaliang ji keseng ni la ya keren batu bat kai galong ba kini ki bawan na inte na po Manipur kidai ban ngidai ban tip kanungut kiwan bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ni kiwan tang ki Nongtrei dekat kum ka ba bat ki kiwan tang kum ki Nongtrei la ni bat ki khun ki kti dekat kum ka ba ngiyo ban ya keren batu kalong ba kidon ki bawan tang kumu Nongtrei wan cement bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family tinggal ekran badu ba udairu ban pentip syaka sarkar jela ya kene ke jingdon jom kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang te na po Manipur bat ki bawan sine bat nagliang ji keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi septing kalong ba hau ar hajar khandai na itu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki pos ki bala advertise to kopor bala khot yang ne jing thungkam kiran du pratli ki pos bat hadu menta ki klem ble ya kanu no interview ni septiang kalong bayo kini ki breu ki ba nakte na po ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hangni nama kutip ba ga jela miklia gadi ba chong sup chong san kabe kalong ba ngiting yo kini ki pos kin ja no kin thap da ta ki breu ki bawan nakte na po ga jela Manipur tinggal ekran batu batula pensisyaru ba yakini ki bawan menta nang te sini kadin tang bekut yakini kalai nai ki haban lek phaino bat yakini ki post ki ba la khot hau ar hajar khat khandai un sa khot no hapo kine ar banai lai banai
Hagabai day bat ka jing bam pelong ya ka interview udin jaka ni ka college ulay thu ba ka jingwan jaka COVID-19 kala pinchitom ya ka college pan pelong ki interview.
So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this College of Agriculture. These are still intact and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement whatever vacant positions are there, means mostly vacant positions we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something.
Ulaong ru bagatulab jangki Nongtrei blapen kereakam na Manipur la shim naga Central Agricultural University Imphal namar baki deki Nongtrei jong kato ka university ki bla shushapan kereakam tang menta shipor.